Why do 60% of Chromebook users struggle with updates? Here's how to fix it easily. First, let's power wash. Tech speak for factory reset. Go to Settings, type Power Wash, and follow the prompts. Simple, right? Next, the login screen trick: press Ctrl plus LT / Shift plus R. Follow the prompts and you're golden. Feeling adventurous? Enable developer mode by holding ESC plus refresh and pressing power. Navigate to advanced options. Enable developer mode, then switch back. Power wash complete. Finally, the ultra-rare method. Create a new disk image using another device. Google's got a full guide for this one. After power washing, hit the out-of-box experience screen. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus R twice to reveal Power Wash and Revert. Select it, and voila! Your Chromebook is back to a previous version of ChromeOS. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.